How to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. Let's get started. First, launch your Pinterest app. Navigate to the profile page by clicking on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Click on the option Privacy and Data. Scroll down. Click on the option of Clear App Cache. Now I can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next up, check your internet connection. Check if you have stable internet connection or not. Or you can also switch between networks by going to Settings, enabling Wi-Fi, disabling cellular, enabling cellular, and disabling Wi-Fi. Next up, what you want to do is update Pinterest app. For that, open Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Pinterest. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, if the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is completely delete Pinterest from your device and reinstall it. Also, give a fresh restart to your device. Press and hold on the Pinterest app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Pinterest, and then install it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed, your pictures will load. So, this way, you can easily fix Pinterest pictures not showing. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.